What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the watch list. It's Sunday night. You guys should be getting ready. It's 4:30. Futures will be opening here in a little bit, but I want to go on ahead and get this out. So it might be about time that they are opening. I'm not sure what way futures are going to open here this weekend. I've been getting dirty money. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'm putting out at least one video a week, giving you guys absolutely free content that's going to help you guys, whether it's long-term, short-term, just in finance and everything like that. So with that being said, let's jump back to the video. So with that being said, a couple of companies I'm kind of keeping an eye on here, and you guys are going to notice first thing, Apple is one of these companies, and I am worried about Apple a lot. I already actually have put a stop loss in my long-term account on E-Trade for Apple. And why do I hold Apple in E-Trade? That's just because where my longer-term account is. If you guys have been following me since like 2016, 2017, you guys know I used to day trade on E-Trade as well. So with that being said, NIO, this one I'm going to go on ahead and say I would not be holding this one anymore. I'm actually looking to possibly sell some calls on this one. That one seems a little risky, so I think honestly doing a debit spread on this one on contracts for puts is actually going to be the better way to do this, and I think that's what I'm going to end up doing tomorrow if it can pop up a little bit, or I can catch it on if it gaps down, if I can catch it on a pull up or a push up. I will be shorting this one basically. Full disclosure, again, this is all just what I'm seeing and what I'm thinking and what I want to do. AT&T, this is one, everybody knows about their dividend. They pay a 52% dividend quarterly. It's about 7% roughly. It's a great dividend stock, but the growth has been absolutely horrible this year. I mean, they just never recovered from the pandemic, and that sucks a lot, but it did make it a reasonably cheap stock for somebody that believes in this company long term. I do want to buy some of this company for long term. Again, you guys, I'm going to be releasing a video tomorrow on a dividend stock. Make sure you guys get notifications on so you guys get alerted when I put that out, because it is one of the dividend stocks that I currently hold. But with AT&T, I don't currently hold this one. I do want to buy this one, but I need to see some upwards momentum out of this before I ever actually jump into this one and get into bed with them. So again, Apple, I got a feeling I'm going to end up selling this one. Procter & Gamble is another great dividend stock. Right now, this isn't Procter & Gamble. I'm so sorry. This is P&E Corporation. Another one, though, that we do, Procter & Gamble, I am worried about them, though, as well. I believe it's just PG. Let's see, yeah, Procter & Gamble. I'm very worried about this company as well. Again, they pay a great dividend. It's something that I used to hold a lot of during the pandemic. I sold a lot, and then I am not really, but I haven't bought back into this one yet. It's something that you probably use a lot more products for them than you even imagine, but I'm just not sold on this chart or the data on it or any of that, and the downwards momentum that they've had here in the past couple of months. So that's not something I'm looking to actually buy right now. Yes, do I want to buy when things are low like I did during the pandemic? Yes, but not on this one right now. When the market's at all-time highs and this thing's dropping $20, it's just not something that I'm looking at. So another one that a lot of people aren't going to like that I'm going to put on here is Tesla. I love their cars. I've personally drove a few of them. I have ordered the Tesla truck. Don't know when in the heck I'm ever going to get that. But they had their stock split, and they've just kept running ever since. They never hit $1,000. They just got over $900 up here, as we can see. But as we get closer in here, the market's at all-time highs, and this stock is dipping. And I know the market dipped a little bit here this past week. It's nothing major or anything like that. I'm not really scared of that. Again, I am a long-term holder of the overall market in the S&P 500 indexes. But right now, Tesla, I got a feeling it's got a little bit of more room. It's broken through this here a little bit. I got a feeling that this one can drop back down into 700 territory. The only problem on why I don't actually play this one, and if I was going to actually play this one, I'd play it super, super small. You guys got to remember, if you just play small, that means you can make a lot more plays. Doesn't mean you're going to make a lot more money, but when you're new to this, definitely play small and allow yourself more opportunities and to learn as you go. That's something that I made a lot of mistakes of myself when starting, and I see a lot of still to this day with new traders. But with this one right here, I do feel like it could catch velocity on the way downwards, and that could be a huge problem, even though there's a ton of people that are rooting for Tesla. If you guys know who Elon Musk is, again, I don't bet against smart people, so if I was going to do it, I would just buy a simple put option out of the money for a couple months out, probably maybe a month and a half out, a month out, if depending on how expensive they are and what IV rank and everything is at that exact time. And again, that's more of trader talk right there. But this is one that I'm not invested into right now. I have not been invested into this entire year, actually. And the last time I held it was last February when I dumped everything, if you guys were following me then. But this is something that I am worried about. I am going to keep updated on this one and watch this one develop. I don't trade this one because of the velocity of these moves, and I don't want to be caught in them. So with that being said, guys, those are the ones that I am watching here this week. Again, if you guys want to know the futures, what they open at here this week, you're going to see ES/ES is the S&P 500 future. We're going to see this one open here in a little bit. It did have a little bit of a downwards here at the end of the week. Make sure you guys are watching that tonight. But other than that, thank you guys all for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.